What up, what up, what up? Thanks for tuning in to Dope Rides and Good Vibes. My name's Jim Finch. I'll be your host for today. So I'm super excited. Just got a package I've been waiting a little bit for. Check it out. It's my order from COVERMYPLATE. Let's check this thing out. COVERMYPLATE. Dun, 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 dun. Well packaged. Damn. I can dig it. Let's see how it looks on. Done. Shit looks tough. I like it. Check them out, covermyplate.com. And yeah, I placed the order on the 1st. Today's the 15th, so 2 weeks. Not bad. I'm happy. Thanks, COVERMYPLATE. And this is pretty smart. They sent this with it. Little keychain says COVERMYPLATE. And then on the back, remove plate before flight. That's where I got it. Covermyplate.com.
I'm about to catch another flight. Hop up on, make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. If you don't know, now you know. If he broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money, more. Cause when you a boss, you can do what you want.